Hey guys, welcome to Love Cars. Today we're tackling a big one. Are you making these easy but expensive mistakes with your automatic car? A lot of drivers do. They don't realize the damage to one of the most expensive components, the transmission. These habits seem small, but they add up to thousands in repairs. The good news? They're easy to fix once you know them. Keep your car running smoothly and avoid a massive bill. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you 8 common errors, and exactly how to fix them, step by step. We'll explain the why so you get what's happening inside your car. No special tools, just practical advice you can use today. It's about being a smarter owner and extending your car's life. Stick around for all 8. The last one's a game changer. Mistake 1, resting your foot on the brake while driving. That light pressure creates heat and wear and confuses drivers behind you. Fix, left foot on the dead pedal. Right foot moves cleanly between gas and brake. Mistake 2, shifting into park before a complete stop. That clunk is damage to the parking pile waiting to happen. Park uses a small pin to lock a notched gear. If you're still moving, it slams the pin into a spinning gear. Fix, full stop on the brake, engage parking brake, then shift to P. This takes the stress off the pawl and puts it on the brakes, where it belongs. Mistake 3, coasting in neutral to save fuel. Modern ECUs cut fuel during deceleration in drive. In neutral, the engine idles, and can use more. Neutral also removes engine braking, overheating your brakes on hills. Fix, leave it in drive. On steep grades, select a lower gear for safe engine braking. Mistake 4, skipping the parking brake. Even on mild slopes, all that weight rests on a tiny pin. That's why it can be hard to shift out of park later. Fix, stop fully, engage parking brake firmly, then shift to P. Reverse this when leaving. This habit protects delicate and expensive transmission parts. 2 seconds now can save you thousands. Mistake 5, ignoring your transmission fluid. ATF lubricates, applies clutches and cools. Heat and contamination break it down. Check level, color, and smell. Burnt or dark, that's a red flag. Follow the maintenance schedule. Don't trust lifetime fluid. Regular fluid and filter changes remove wear particles and restore cooling. This alone can double your transmission's life. Mistake 6, towing without prep. Towing generates heat, the #1 enemy of automatics. Use tow haul. It changes shift points, reduces gear hunting, and adds engine braking. Know your max tow rating and stay under it. Overloading is unsafe and can destroy a transmission. Respect your vehicle's limits and use the tools it gives you so your transmission survives the job. Mistake 7, resting your hand on the shifter. That small constant pressure wears bushings, linkage, and selector parts over time. Fix, keep both hands on the wheel. Only touch the shifter when changing gears. Mistake 8, ignoring warning lights like check engine or AT temp. A cheap sensor can cause bad shifting. Left unchecked, it becomes a $1,000 repair. If AT temp appears, pull over and let it cool. Don't drive it to death. Look it up, scan the code, or see a trusted mechanic. Fix small issues early. And there you have it, 8 mistakes that silently destroy automatics, and 8 simple fixes. We covered footwork, parking brake sequence, fluid care, towing setup, engine braking, and paying attention to the dash. Preventative maintenance and smart habits are always cheaper than repairs. 2 seconds on the brake and timely fluid changes can save you thousands. If this helped, like and subscribe for more car tips. Drop your tips or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.